Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel for videos related to our mobile application. So, in this particular video, we will discuss how we can use our mobile application to capture and display all kinds of activities done by a student in a school. So, we will first open a mobile app for that. We'll come to admin panel, come to manage reports, and the first tab in this manage report section is upload report. Now suppose I am a class teacher of class 1A and I want to capture some activity done by a few students in the class today, then I can do it from here. And I will have to choose category first, like in which category those activities fall. And the category list is dynamic. I can add as much as I need. So currently I have added homework and discipline. Homework means if suppose a student has not done his homework or he has not done his homework fully, then I can report under this category, homework. Or discipline for if some student has done something which may attract punishment, or I want to report to guardian that your ward has done something indisciplined action in the school, so we can report those actions here. So suppose I have to report discipline here. So I am class 1A teacher. I will search all my students. I'll choose discipline category, and I suppose Adyan Singh and maybe Aryan Kumar have done something pertaining to discipline, and if I want to write a comment, I can write it here, hello, and I will simply upload them, Adyan Singh. So now this is captured. Captured means this is available for us to see, and this is available for the parents to see also. So I'll then come to, if as an admin I want to check, I will come to view report. The name of the student was Adyant. I'll press search. Adyant. What was the name of this kid? I will come again, class 1, 6 A, search. Okay, it's ADYANT, 2126, ADYANT. We report. Adyan Singh and his. Okay, so I'll select this student here, and category will be discipline, and if I view, I can see all the remarks made by us for this student throughout this session. And suppose after viewing this I feel that this last comment was not correct, so I'll press delete, and if I have proper rights it will be deleted. And as a guardian I can check all the activities done by this student on daily basis by coming to student panel and then school diary. As soon as I open this tab, and if I have some student, all the reports for today will be seen here without pressing or without choosing any option. It will, for today, all the activities will be shown here on load itself without doing anything. So they can also see, and they can also search category wise, and they can also search date wise. So, and if I have 2-3 students on with same mobile number, I can check from here, because there is nothing recorded for. So if there is something recorded for a particular student, then we can see it, the guardians, the parent can see it from here. Thanks. Thanks a lot.